Amy Slayton, one of the most recognizable faces from TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, has once again captured the spotlight, this time with an announcement that has both thrilled her supporters and stirred controversy among her critics. In a stunning twist, Amy revealed surprise baby news with her new partner Brian, leaving fans buzzing across social media platforms. The journey of the Slayton sisters has been nothing short of dramatic, emotional, and inspirational, with Amy's personal life often taking center stage alongside her weight loss transformation. For years, audiences have followed her ups and downs, from struggles with health and motherhood to heartbreak in relationships. Now, as Amy steps into yet another new chapter, her announcement has become the latest topic shaking up the 1000 LB Sisters fan community. Amy Slayton has always been open about her desire to be a mother. Fans of the series will remember her emotional journey during earlier seasons when she longed to have children, even as doctors warned her of the risks associated with pregnancy at her weight. Despite concerns, Amy defied the odds and gave birth to her two sons, Gage and Glenn, with her former husband Michael Hultman. The joy of motherhood was a defining moment in her storyline, but the road wasn't easy. Her marriage to Michael eventually crumbled, leading to a painful and very public divorce that left Amy navigating single motherhood under the scrutiny of both cameras and critics. Many thought Amy would take time away from relationships, but life had a different plan. Enter Brian, her new partner who has been quietly building a bond with both Amy and her children. The surprise baby news was revealed during a candid moment on social media where Amy hinted that her family was about to grow again. Fans flooded the comment section with mixed emotions, some congratulating her on finding happiness again while others raised concerns about her readiness for another child so soon after her split from Michael. The announcement sparked heated debates on fan forums, with supporters defending Amy's right to make choices about her life and detractors accusing her of moving too fast. Regardless of the backlash, Amy's excitement was undeniable as she expressed joy over the prospect of motherhood again, this time with Brian by her side. For those who have followed Amy's journey from the very beginning, this development is monumental. Viewers remember her struggles with infertility fears, her tearful moments in doctors' offices, and her determination to experience the joys of raising a family despite her health challenges. Now, seeing Amy not only expand her family but also embrace a future with Brian shows how much her life has evolved since the cameras first started rolling. However, it also opens the door to new questions about how this will affect her role on 1000 LB Sisters and what it means for He shows future storylines. Critics of Amy often focus on her past struggles with stability, pointing to moments where she seemed overwhelmed by parenting responsibilities and personal challenges. Some have accused her of prioritizing relationships over her children, though her supporters push back fiercely against such claims. According to those close to Amy, Brian has been a steady presence, stepping up as a positive figure not only for Amy but also for her sons. Social media posts have captured moments of Brian spending time with Gage and Glenn, and fans note the genuine affection the children appear to have for him. For many supporters, the idea of Amy expanding her family with Brian is a sign of growth, healing, and hope after a turbulent chapter in her life. The hate from critics, however, has been relentless. Online trolls and even some longtime viewers of the show have voiced skepticism, questioning whether Amy is ready for another baby and whether Brian is truly committed. Some even accuse Amy of seeking attention through dramatic announcements, claiming she uses her personal life to remain in the spotlight. But those close to Amy argue otherwise, saying she has always been candid and authentic, and that her happiness is not performative but genuine. Amy herself addressed the negativity in a heartfelt post, urging people to respect her choices and reminding them that her children are loved and cared for, regardless of outside opinions. The timing of Amy's announcement also raises speculation about how TLC might incorporate this major life change into upcoming episodes of 1000 LB Sisters. The show thrives on family dynamics, personal struggles, and big revelations, and a pregnancy storyline could draw massive attention. Viewers are already speculating whether TLC cameras will capture doctor visits, family reactions, and even moments of tension as Tammy, Amanda, and other family members weigh in on the news. Tammy, in particular, has been a central figure in the series with her own dramatic weight loss journey, and fans are curious about how she will respond to Amy's new chapter. Amy's relationship with Brian has been the subject of much curiosity. While she has shared glimpses of their time together, details about their romance have largely been kept private compared to her previous relationship with Michael, which played out in front of cameras. What fans do know is that Brian has been a calming and supportive partner, often encouraging Amy's independence in her role as a mother. His willingness to embrace her children has also won him praise from some corners of the fandom. Still, critics question how long the relationship has been going on and whether a baby is a rushed decision. The backlash hasn't stopped Amy from moving forward with optimism. She has openly stated that she refuses to let negativity control her happiness and that the most important thing is the well-being of her children. For Amy, the chance to bring new life into the world is a blessing, not a mistake. Supporters applaud her resilience, noting how far she has come from the days when doctors doubted her ability to safely conceive. To them, Amy's announcement is a triumphant moment that underscores her determination to live life on her own terms, no matter what critics say. Another layer of discussion revolves around the financial and logistical aspects of raising another child. With the pressures of reality TV fame and the challenges of co-parenting with her ex-husband Michael, Amy will face new responsibilities as she prepares for this next stage. Questions linger about how involved Brian will be in parenting, whether the couple has plans to formalize their relationship rough marriage, and how Amy will balance the needs of her growing family with her commitments to TLC and her public image. These uncertainties fuel the ongoing chatter, but they also highlight the complexity of Amy's life outside the cameras. On fan pages, debates rage daily. Some call Amy irresponsible, others defend her fiercely, and many simply express excitement to watch her journey unfold. One comment summed it up perfectly: Amy has been through hell and back, but she is still standing and still chasing her dreams. If she's happy, then we should be happy for her. That sentiment resonates with those who see Amy as a symbol of perseverance despite flaws, setbacks, and constant public judgment. As the dust settles from the initial shock of the announcement, the real story is only beginning. Amy's pregnancy journey will no doubt come with challenges, especially given her medical history, but it also promises moments of joy, vulnerability, and triumph that fans have come to expect from 1000 LB Sisters. Whether the world cheers her on or criticizes her choices, Amy Slayton has proven she won't be defined by other people's opinions. With Brian by her side and her children at the heart of her world, Amy is ready to embrace this new chapter. The surprise baby news may have sparked controversy, but it has also solidified her place as one of reality TV's most relatable, resilient, and talked about figures. For now, fans eagerly await more updates, wondering whether TLC will give them an inside look into Amy's journey with Brian and their growing family. One thing is certain: Amy's story continues to evolve in ways no one could predict, and love her or hate her, the world is still watching. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.